case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Supreme Court took on a legal puzzle in 1987, revolving around the propriety of jury instructions in a capital murder trial. Albert Brown, a defendant sentenced to death, was at the center of the complex legal debate. The California Supreme Court overturned his death sentence due to a contentious instruction given to the jurors. They must not let their decisions be swayed by emotions, public opinion, or prejudice. The case, known as California v. Brown, gave rise to the crucial question of whether this seemingly impartial instruction infringed the U.S. Constitution. Evidence from both sides, including testimony from the defendant's family and a psychiatrist, had been presented in the trial. Even so, Brown was sentenced to death. The appeal reached the United States Supreme Court, where Chief Justice Rehnquist penned the majority decision. The court found that the trial instruction did not violate the 8th and 14th Amendments. The dense but important legal question was distilled to understanding how a reasonable juror would interpret this instruction. They concluded that the guidelines were not designed to restrict the juror's decision, but to limit their considerations to the evidence and facts presented throughout the trial. The Supreme Court ultimately disagreed with the California Supreme Court's interpretation, overturning their verdict. Brown's case was remanded for further review, reinforcing the long-established legal principle that a defendant, even in capital murder trials, has the right to introduce relevant mitigating evidence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.